Alright guys, I haven't posted a video in a while, so I thought I'd give an update on the Wagon. Installing the Dynon kit, so I've got all the EGT CHT probes in. Got a bunch of the wiring harnesses pulled through the firewall. That's taking a while. Here's the panel frame and stuff from Kyle Fosso and Bush Liner Aircraft Remanufacturing. So there's a glove box, pretty nice. New controls. It's really nice new style panel frame that's flat on the top instead of the rounded one. It's I think it's 1.5 inches taller on the top, and then the bottom is 2 inches higher, so you have more leg clearance. We started mounting the Dynon boxes, the engine management system, and the Adahar's box there. A lot of wiring still to do. We got ELT mounted, and the wires run for that with the antenna. Back there in the back is a remote magnetometer. That's kind of a touchy deal because it has to be exactly the same orientation as the Adahar's box, so that takes a while. Got the carbon fiber extended baggage that's going to go in. It's already all set up, ready to go. Let's see what else. This airplane is really nice. We got a good deal on it. It's got the leading edge cuff, the BAS handles. It's the P-Punk gear beef up kit. It actually started life as a 182 and had the 180 conversion STC, so no cow flaps. Here's the interior that's going in it, all redone. Black and brown, give it like an old school hot rod look. I'm pretty excited about that. Extended baggage. This carbon fiber, super nice, super lightweight, really strong. And here's the panel. Again, thanks to Bush Liner. If you want to put Dynon in your aircraft, you gotta get with Bush Liner, because it's the only way to center the screens above the yoke. So I'll eventually get another 10-inch to go here, but that's gonna have to work for now. Spent too much money on this project already. So now I'm working on the glare shield. It's gonna go over the top. So again, excuse my mess, we're doing a remodel on our house also. So I've made a mock-up, exact replica of the cowl, the panel there, using ABS plastic, heating it up to form the glare shield, and sticking some spacers on it, also made out of ABS. I tried first time to just kind of heat it up and bend it around, and it really didn't work out very well. It was really uneven, not very good. So this time I'm going to be cutting small strips of ABS and sticking it together. And it's really simple to do. Just brush on some MEK. Use some MEK and just brush it on the ABS on both sides, and then stick it together. You probably don't have to clamp it, but I did. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, and it kind of welds it into one piece. So I'll do that twice to kind of make it thick, That'll give it a thick edge on the front and somewhere to put the strip of panel lights behind it. So that should work out pretty good. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is awesome, especially compared to this. So the Dynon system, a lot of people say it's like, oh, if you can hook up a computer, you can hook it up. Kind of, but also kind of not. These harnesses mostly come with one end on them, so you've got to pin out the other side. Some of the wires in the diagram are the wrong color of what it actually is in the harness, so you got to trace some of that stuff out, but not too bad. Kyle Bushliner sent me this harness that's just ready to go with these beautiful Canon plugs on it. So literally just set the panel in, hook up the Canon plugs, and it's ready to go. So man, I could not be happier. I really love the vent setup in the top too. The top's anodized, and then the actual, this frame is anodized as well. Aluminum, billet aluminum, super strong. Not like a flat sheet aluminum with angle riveted to it. It's all just one piece, milled, beautiful. And we were going to anodize the actual panel, but it just had a couple of issues. Kyle wasn't very happy with it, and I couldn't agree more. So we ended up doing a powder coat on this, and man, it just came out awesome. Could not be happier. This is just incredible. Show you the back of the switch. How beautiful that is. So, that's it.